So here we are guys, cool drones on Amazon that are around $50 or less. They won't always fly the way you want them to, if at all, because they are so cheap, but they are cool nonetheless. And if you do want to buy them through the product links in the description below, then of course, I won't stop you. Okay, here we go. Zuhafa Drone T4 Wi-Fi. Don't forget the Wi-Fi. Apparently, that is a selling point. And here's another drone that can take off from your hand. I know it's not that impressive anymore in this day and age, but don't forget that this drone is only around $50, so let's pretend that it is. But you know what's really impressive? That the guy is flying the drone over open ocean in apparently high wind. Now that's impressive. But I digress. Of course, it can take videos and it can even target you Terminator style. I don't think it's got real bullets though. It can also be controlled with your hands, like a dog. And like a dog, don't expect it to always work. Of course, it takes aerial selfies too, but remember, when you take aerial selfies, bring your girlfriend. The Snaptane A10 Mini Foldable Drone. Okay, so this drone is also a clone. Aesthetically at least. I think this drone is supposed to look like another drone on the market, but it costs much less at just around $50. Don't expect really high-end video capabilities here of course, but if you're looking for a leisure flyer, this could do it for you. It's small and it flies well indoor, so that's fun time for you even if it's raining or stormy outside. And it's so smart that you can just throw it and it will fly. Assuming you don't throw it straight into the wall of course, but who would do that? It flies in circle and it spins and flips. It's also so smart that it flies according to your trajectory. When you get bored, you can land it with a single press of a button. You can connect your phone to the remote and get something of an FPV view. And if you stack two surfboard wannabes up like this, you can even fly it underneath. Oh yeah! What else could you possibly ask for? Droco Mini Drone for kids. Pardon the quality of the video. No, it's not your internet connection dropping. The promotion video of this Dokon Mini Drone really did come degraded right out of the box. But if you can get over that, and yes I know, it can be hard, but if you can, this drone is quite cool. It's one of the cheapest in today's list at $29.99 and it's so small that the drone fits right into the remote. I kid you not. I hope the radio system is not infrared, which is often the case with really small RC vehicles. If it is, then you can expect some signal loss. But still, it's an interesting drone if you can get over all the pitfalls. Please press that like button and subscribe. Thank you!